start with a simple rhythm together so that sir can also play with us. Okay, the first rhythm, remember?
All of you who have come over here to support this Tera Mera Beach 150 days to a cleaner Goa by Drishti Beach, Goa Tourism and all the stakeholders. This part of the beach, that is Baga where we are, is the most famous destination. It became famous because of Club Tito's, and people know this place. Tourists who came over here, those were the hippies who came over here first from Israel and other countries in 1970s, and Tito's was the first restaurant down here, and that time this campaign was not required. You agree with me?
Yep.
Yes. And this campaign is here today because we have so many business vendors over here, so many people coming over here, a lot of Indian tourists, a lot of foreigners, and also Goans coming over here on the beach. But something is lacking with us only, and I feel we are all responsible that the garbage which is seen all over India. I travel to different states in India, and I especially go in the markets, I especially go in the towns, major cities, and this problem is not only in Goa, this is all over India. That is why our Prime Minister launched the campaign called Swachh Bharat. But I think politicians, what they do is they just take a broom and call the media and they just show the people they are trying to sweep something. But I think that will not serve the purpose what we are here. And we did it in a different way in Goa. Goa also, last 15 years we had this problem increasing day by day, this garbage, plastic, wet garbage, dry garbage, whatever form of garbage, whether it is a straw, whether it is a bottle, whether it is a plastic bottle, whether it is all types of plastics. And this problem was like it became so severe that a lot of foreign tourists, we saw on different media, telling, they started telling in their countries, do not go on the Goan beaches, they are full of garbage, they are full of plastic, they are full of waste, nobody is picking up waste. But in the year 2012, we gave a commitment to all the stakeholders, to all the residents of the coastal belt, to all the businessmen over here, and to all the people of Goa, that we will build a state-of-the-art garbage treatment plant in Goa to treat waste. And in my constituency, this plant came up in the year 2015, we inaugurated it, and today we are treating 150 tons of waste. We are segregating waste, we are treating it, and we are generating green power, that is electricity is being generated out of this plant. Hindustan Garbage Treatment Plant Private Limited is here in Kalangut. If anybody wants to go and see it, please go and see it. It's acquired at a land of 1,20,000 square meters. But still we have given a promise to the people that we will see that there is no waste or garbage seen anywhere in Kalangut constituency, anywhere in the coastal belt. But still we see a lot of plastic bottles, beer bottles on the beach or by lanes or everywhere. And us who are doing it, though as Panchayat, as a MLA or as responsible people, we want to take away all the waste, we want to clear all the waste, but still there is waste seen. there is plastic seen, there is garbage, there is wet garbage, everything is seen on the roads, bylanes, but it is improved. What was 100% waste, now we can see 30% is still there. And because of that, this Tera Mera Beach campaign, Drishti, Goa Tourism, all the stakeholders have come over here and they said we will do this campaign to keep this beach clean. And I am very happy and I am very thankful to Drishti and especially the CEO. And the first time we have seen a CEO of a company with shorts, and he's always with shorts, every day with shorts. He has energy and he wants to use that energy for productive work. And that first thing when he came to me, I said, are you seriously going to take care of this beach as far as waste is concerned? Because government has given him the job to clean this beach, to keep it clean. He said, Michael, I am quite serious, I am very positive as far as I want your support. I want the support from all the shacks. I want the support from all the police who are taking care of this beach, the IRB police. I want support from each and every individual who is making money on this beach. So we are all there to support Drishti. We are all there to support Goa Tourism, and I am very happy that all you guys who are here to give a boost to this campaign. And I am very thankful once again to the management of Drishti, where there was a lot of problem on this beach in the year 2015 when the previous contractor could not clean up the mess. And I went to the Chief Minister and said that you please change the contractor. We took a decision overnight. We called the management of Drishti, can you handle it? They said yes, give us 8 days time and we will take it over. From the time they have taken it over, it is much better, it is much cleaner, and I thank the Drishti management. And today, they are going to run this campaign for 150 days. It is an awareness, say no to plastic. I have given a letter also, and I have told the Chief Minister, ban plastic in Goa, the sale of plastic carry bags. This is creating 60% of the waste. What waste we see outside, a plastic is easily available. You eat something at home or in a restaurant or wherever, you sit on the beach and eat something, and you need something to throw it away. So people feel the waste, chicken pieces, rice, fish or whatever remains, they put it in a plastic bag, they tie it, and they just walk like this straight and they just throw it at the side, in some bushes, in the nalla, in the gutter, or wherever they find. Or you find some plastics on the trees, beautiful green trees, but you find plastic, and in that plastic there is a lot of chicken waste or rice or something like that. But this is done by all of us. And I have seen learned people, I am not taking this thing like means intelligent people, smart people who are literate people, they do this, because sometimes government or panchayat, we are lagging behind as far as infrastructure is concerned. Elsewhere you go, in other constituencies or other parts of Goa, you will not find bins. So people also want, where do we throw this waste which is in our hand? So they just try to throw it somewhere. We need to keep Goa clean, then only we will get good tourists. We need to bring discipline on the beach and on the bylanes also. We don't want anybody walking with beers on the beach, those glass bottles, because they just throw it like this. Somebody else comes and throws another beer on it, and it breaks and it goes in somebody's leg. There is injury. All these things needs to be tackled, and I am quite sure that in the years to come, in the months to come, Drishti will take this up and government will empower them also to fine. Because we will not have so many policemen to fine. They will empower you. This is what I am working with the Chief Minister, that they should be empowered. There should be officers to the level of giving challan. Let us bring discipline on this beach. We will find better tourists, spending tourists, good tourists, and they will know what they can do on the beach and what they cannot do on the beach, which is followed elsewhere in the world. Let us make this beach first. Let us make this beach more beautiful, more cleaner, and keep it clean like this only. And I am there as a MLA of this constituency to support this campaign. And I feel that this campaign should not stay only in Kalangut constituency. It should go other places of Goa, like Anjuna, Vagator, Sapora, Morje, Arambol, Kheri, Golwa. Because once you go there, we see everything very dirty. And when tourists come over, they say, what is going on over here? And you see all these pictures coming on TripAdvisor or any other media. And I feel that this has to change. For that, we will have to change our mindset first. We will have to keep the beach clean. It is with us to keep this beach clean. Let us all work together. And I thank Drishti once again and all of you who have come over here to participate in this. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak. God bless you.
Hi, I'm Ravi Shankar, CEO of Drishti Marine. We look after cleaning the beaches of Goa. This campaign we have designed is basically to create awareness for people who are coming to the beach to how use it responsibly. This is a natural resource and we feel it should be handled with care and passion. The campaign is about making people aware of how to behave on a beach, how to manage their waste and to use the bins and do segregation. Thank you very much.